Hey, today I am gonna discuss water crisis. What is water crisis? What are its causes and effects? How can we combat this challenge of water crisis? And which countries are most threatened of water shortage? So water is the basic requirement of our lives and water makes our lives possible. We cannot survive without water and water is connected to every aspect of our lives. It's everyone's right to have access to safe water and sanitation. But millions of people do not have access to safe water and sanitation around the globe. If we can ensure clean water and sanitation for all, then a lot of time of people will be saved and they will spend their time going to school and to work and people will have a good health. Today, millions of people lack access to clean water and toilet. Women are greatly affected because of water crisis because they spend 200 million hours every day collecting water. If they have access to safe water at home, they can pursue other goals. They can add to their household income. Water crisis is a health crisis. Each year, about 1 million people die from water, sanitation, and hygiene related diseases. It can be reduced with access to safe water and sanitation. We can prevent spread of infectious diseases, reduce child and maternal mortality rates, and ensure improved health with access to safe water and sanitation. Water crisis is an economic crisis. Billions of dollars are lost globally each year due to lack of basic water and sanitation. Developing countries are facing these water issues such as scarcity of drinking water, poor infrastructure for water access, floods and droughts, and the contamination of rivers. The major causes of water scarcity are climate change, natural calamities such as floods and droughts, increased water consumption by humans, overuse and water wastage, and another major cause for water scarcity is global freshwater demand is rising. We are using aquifers continuously at a much faster rate and recharge of aquifers is slow. We waste a lot of water. We waste water when we are brushing and shaving. A lot of water is wasted while washing dishes. We are consuming a lot of water for industrial purposes. We need to limit this industrial water consumption. Many countries are threatened of water shortage. These countries include Libya, Western Sahara, Yemen, Jordan, and Djibouti, etc. The effects of water scarcity are lack of access to clean water and sanitation, diseases and other health risks, increased child and mother mortality rates, lack of access to toilets and increased sexual violence because of lack of access to toilets, decreased school attendance, increased poverty and loss of biodiversity. We are facing all these challenges because of water scarcity. We are trying to combat these challenges with the solutions we have and we are trying to find other ways. Many organizations are trying to combat these challenges. These organizations include World Health Organization, UNICEF, the World Bank and especially United Nations Organization. Solutions to the problems we are facing because of water crisis include education and awareness, improved irrigation and agriculture water use, new conservation technologies, harvesting rainwater, recycling wastewater and partnerships. All above mentioned are the solutions to water crisis. If we want to solve the problem of water crisis and if we care about coming generations, we should follow the guidelines of United Nations and other organizations which are trying to combat the challenge of water crisis. Thanks for watching and listening.